Ooh.
Crank the bitch.
There you go. Bow. Let's put a Hellcats in this motherfucker. You ready?
Put it in low.
Low.
Low. Keep your foot
Over
on the
here?
brake.
Low over
No,
here?
this is low.
Where is that?
Push it forward.
Bow. It turned off on me. It turned off on me again.
I think it's because you're so skinny, actually.
It's not, no. We the same, we weigh the same shit.
Look, it's got a little thing in there that detects if you stand up. It's a safety feature.